Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on fading audio in or out on iMovie for Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Fading your music or other audio in or out is good practice when making videos, as it sounds easier on the ears, and it's simple to do on iMovie for Mac. Here is how. When you have some audio on your project timeline to fade out from the end, go to the very end of the audio and drag the little circle inwards. This determines how long the fade out will be. The curve it creates represents the decrease in volume as it begins to fade out. You can do the same thing at the beginning of an audio clip. Drag the same circle inwards and it will create a fade-in effect. Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on fading audio in or out on iMovie for Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video.